Alas 3:30 kami nagigising. 4:15, nag-trivia rin po kami. Kasama ko po, 4 na pulis. Ako lang po ang pare sa team. Pagkatapos niyan, tumatakbo kami alas 5 ng umaga. Meron akong daladalang portable altar. Doon kami nag-iisa everyday, kahit saan po kami. Tapos in the afternoon, 4:30, tumatakbo na naman. And in the evening, 8:30, nag-evening prayer. Ang minumukha namin, simple lang po. Pinoy First Class, PFC. Saan po tayo magsisimula? Prayer, P. Tapos fitness, especially running, kasi mura lang po yan. Sapatos lang, may iba lang. Nagsichinelas, iba na kaya pa. And it is fun. And it can be done, it works. Prayer and fitness as foundation stones for citizenship, you see. There is discipline and focus in prayer and fitness. There is a daily rhythm. Kaya magkapatid po yung dalawang yan. Totohanan prayer, totohanan fitness. Kahit na palakad-lakad lang po, para may oxygen. Dahan-dahan. Daily meron naman tayong forum. And we share there to people. We have seen the beauty of our country. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas ko. Napakaganda. I have seen a lot of the outside world. At pag sinabi ng Pilipinas, napakaganda. Mighty Karen River. Mount Mayon-Bulusan. Caves. Yung ating rice granary, napakaganda po. But at the same time, napaka-broken. Very broken. Nakakaiyak po. May mga lugar hindi kami nakakatakbo kasi medyo tensionado, medyo delikado. Very painful kung tutuusin. How do we change the situation? One step at a time, starting with ourselves. Ganun po si Lord. And when we do that, we start to see the change, the plan of God for our lives, for the lives of our family members, our communities, and the lives of our people. I see that. Meron pa naman ang pulis. Nung nag-graduate ako sa PNP Academy, 2003, hindi na po ako nag-exercise. May mga bisyo na po ako ngayon, magbabago po ako. In public, nagsasabi ng gano'n, dahan-dahan, napaka-broken mo talaga natin. But you know, when God created the world, there was a lot of broken fragments, and slowly God pieced them together. And I come to Pampanga, of course, the first time before this time was 2007, and I come to Pampanga, I feel a lot of inspiration. Ang gagaling ng mga Kapampangan. And of course, like the rest of us, broken din po tayong lahat. I come here, I pray, I ask you for prayers. Kanina po, nag-usap kami ni Aurel. Ano ba yung waiting Kapampangan? Sabi niya, pamayanan. Pamanaya. Pumasok ko sa ulo ko, pamana. May pamana na word. Pamanaya. Meron pamana si Lord na gusto niya ibigay sa atin. Kaya lang kailangan natututo tayong maghintay. Pamanaya. And waiting is not passivity. Waiting is active. It requires persistence. Yun po ang sinabi ni Almorao. Kanina nag-sharing kami. Persistence. Patience. Because God is persistent and patient. And when we wait on the Lord, we will see the light.